Sleep basics. What is sleep? It is a condition of the body and mind that typically recurs for several hours every night, in which the nervous system is relatively inactive, the eyes closed, the postural muscles relaxed, and consciousness practically suspended. Sleep is an important part of your daily routine. You spend about 1/3 of your time doing it. Quality sleep, and getting enough of it at the right times, is as essential to survival as food and water. Without sleep, you can't form or maintain the pathways in your brain that let you learn and create new memories. And it's harder to concentrate and respond quickly. Sleep is important to a number of brain functions, including how nerve cells and neurons communicate with each other. In fact, your brain and body stay remarkably active while you sleep. Recent findings suggest that sleep plays a housekeeping role that removes toxins in your brain that build up while you're awake. Everyone needs sleep, but its biological purpose remains a mystery. Sleep affects almost every type of tissue and system in the body, from the brain, heart, and lungs to metabolism, immune function, mood, and disease resistance. Research shows that a chronic lack of sleep, or getting poor quality sleep, increases the risk of disorders including high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, depression, and obesity.